We'll guide you through how to choose the perfect plugin for WooCommerce. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to start exploring available plugins. In the search bar on the top right, type in keywords that describe the functionality you need. For example, if you want to enhance your checkout process, try searching for Checkout Optimization. You'll see a list of plugins with options to install. Pay attention to the star ratings and the number of active installations, as these indicators help identify popular and trusted plugins. Click on the More Details link under each plugin to read reviews and see when it was last updated. It's important to select plugins that are regularly maintained to ensure compatibility with the latest WooCommerce and WordPress versions. Also, check the plugins support section to see if the developers are responsive to user inquiries. Once you've found a plugin that meets your needs, click Install Now and then Activate to start using it. Remember, it's best to install one plugin at a time and test it to make sure it doesn't conflict with your existing setup. If you can, install the plugin on a staging site first to see how it interacts with your store before applying it to your live site. This helps prevent any unexpected issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.